Hello, boys and girls, and happy May! We made it to May. Can you believe it? And today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Um, Being that it's May, I thought that our morning message could have something to do with May. And there's a little bit of information about May and what May includes in our message. So let's read that together now. May's birthstone is the emerald, which symbolizes love and success. Month-long events include Better Speech and Hearing, Jewish American Heritage, Asian Pacific Heritage, and Mental Health Awareness Month. Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, Teachers Appreciation, and Memorial Day are all special days that occur in May. May also signals the end of the school year drawing closer, which makes me so sad. It really does. It's an important time to be mindful of how hard we worked through the school year, especially with new challenges we faced. Let's continue to make an effort to be the best we can be, always in May and the rest of the school year. All right, so our day is make sure you check in today. We have been doing a really great job with it. There are a couple people I'm going to be reaching out to that have not checked in at all this week, and I want to make sure you understand the expectations. Remember, even though if you're using the assignment checklist that I provide to your parents, please also make sure that you are checking our digital agenda slides. The slides have more detailed directions than the assignment checklist themselves. So make sure you're reading every single slide that is here every single day. We are having a Zoom call that is not right. We're having a Zoom call at 11 today, so I will make sure to change that. But we are having a Zoom call at 11 today. All right, let's take a look at our day. Today is Fancy Friday. Get out of those pajamas and dress to impress. I know right now I am rocking my comfy sweatshirt, but I think I'm going to maybe make my hair look fancy today. Maybe put on a nice shirt and some nice pants and get out of my pajamas and my sweats, especially now that I'm back in my apartment. All right, today is it. Today is the final championship of our March Madness book tournament. Make sure you vote. Our bracket is here to find out our final two. Off the top of my head, I really can't think what the top two are. I think it is The Day the Crayons Quit and The Best Egg. Don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure that's it. I did the bracket last week and now I can't remember. Silly. You know what I can do? Silly Miss R. I can go to the bracket. So our final two, let's see how close Miss R was. Hey, I am pretty good. So our final two is The Good Egg and The Day the Crayons Quit. So please make sure you vote today for your favorite read aloud. I know my favorite read aloud. I'm not gonna tell you, but maybe I'm gonna listen to them again to make sure that my thoughts are correct. We are going to be listening to the last chapter of Because of Winn-Dixie on Zoom today. I also am going to be posting a video here after the Zoom call if you are someone who likes to A, listen to the chapter again, or B, someone who does not join us for Zoom today. Reading today, you're going to be making your reflection Flipgrid. Think about this week's reading goal, which was to include topic-specific vocabulary and think big thoughts about your topic. Here I have you to think about some ideas, think about your word banks, think about your traits, motivation, struggles, or think about at least one text feature you used and why it was important. And that's something you're going to share. In math today, you're going to have an assignment for Freckle. Also, you're going to have an assignment for what's called iReady. iReady is a new program we are going to be using here on Out for Distance Learning. Your parents received your login information and your password in their emails before spring break. If they do not have this information, please email me and I will send your information to you or your parent. But you will also have an iReady assignment today. Alrighty, great job finishing your essays for those shoes. Next week, we will be doing an essay for our book, Because of Winn-Dixie. But for today, we're going to be doing our Field Trip Friday, and we are going halfway, well, almost all the way around the world to China. and we are going to be going to visit the Great Wall of China. Here you will see there are 3 videos that you can watch. This one is more of like a brain pop video of teaching you about the history of the Great Wall of China, when it was built, why it was built. And the last one is more your virtual field trip tour where you get to go see 365 views of what the Great Wall of China looks like. Once you have done that, please make sure you make your Flipgrid. Tell me 3 things you learned, 2 things that you want to learn more about, and 1 question you have left. Your social studies for today is National Mother Goose Day. One way, right? Mother Goose is nursery rhymes. So maybe you can share on your Flipgrid what was your favorite nursery rhyme growing up, or maybe you can read a nursery rhyme to us. Share your ideas on Flipgrid and have fun with it. And last but not least, our early finisher slide. Just like always, take a look at it. Try something new today that you haven't done before. Other than that, have a great day. I'm going to see you at 11 a.m. for Flipgrid, and I'm going to be explaining to you a little challenge that I have for you today to work on. But other than that, have a great day. See you in a little bit, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.